You read articles, you save papers, you watch videos to learn something, and a month later, you can't find any of it. All that reading gone. Here's how to fix that in Notion. One database for everything you read, organized by topic and by what you've actually finished. Free template at the end. Let's build it. New page, research hub with a book icon. Description, everything you read in one place you can actually find again. This is where every article, paper, book, and video you learn from is going to live from now on. I insert an inline table and call it sources. Each row is going to be one thing I read. The first column, the name, is just the title of the article or paper. Simple. The power comes from the properties we add next. Because a list of titles isn't useful, what makes this findable is tagging each source with a few key things. Let's add them. First property, type as a select. Article, paper, book, video, podcast. Now every source knows what it is. Later, if I only want to see the books I've saved or only the papers, it's one click. Mixing a research paper and a YouTube video in the same list is fine because the type keeps them sorted in your head. Second, status. To read. Reading, done. This one property solves the biggest problem in research, the pile of stuff you saved and never opened. Now your reading list and your finished list are the same database, just filtered differently. No more 40 open browser tabs. Third, topic. And this one is a multi-select, so a source can have more than one. Productivity, health, business, tech. Why multi-select? Because a single article might be about business and tech at the same time. When you research a topic later, you pull every source tagged with it, no matter what type it is. So, fourth, a link property. Type URL. This is where the actual web address goes, so the source is one click away. No more digging through your history to find that article again. And the last property, the most important one, key takeaway, a text field. One sentence. What did this source actually teach you? If you can't write one sentence, you didn't really learn it. This single line is what turns a saved link into real knowledge you can use. Let me add a few real sources. First, a deep work summary, type, article, status, done, topic, productivity. I paste the link. And the key takeaway, block distraction-free time for your hardest task. Look at that. A full record of what I read and what I got from it in 10 seconds. Second, a gut health study, type, paper, status, reading, because I'm halfway through it, topic, health, link. And the takeaway so far, fiber diversity matters more than probiotics. Notice this one is still reading, so it won't clutter my finished list. Third, a pricing strategy, video. Type video, status to read, and here I tag two topics, business and tech, because it's both. And fourth, Atomic Habits, a book to read, tagged productivity and health. See how the takeaway is empty on these two? That's on purpose, like they're still in the pile. The empty takeaway is my signal. I haven't actually read this yet. Now the magic views. First a board view called by status, group by status. Watch. My sources snap into 3 columns. To read, everything waiting. Reading, what I'm on right now. Done, what I've finished. This is your entire reading life on one board. Drag a card from to read to done when you finish it. That's the whole workflow. Second view by topic, group by topic. Now the same sources reorganized completely. Everything about productivity together, everything about health together. When you sit down to research something, you open this view, jump to the topic, and every article, paper, and book you ever saved on it is right there. That's the difference between saving links and actually building knowledge. One optional trick. On the by status view, add a filter, status is not done. Now you only see what's left to read. Your finished sources are still saved, still searchable, just out of your way while you focus on the pile. That's your research hub. One database for everything you read. Type, so you know what it is. Status, so nothing gets lost in the pile. Topic, so you can pull every source on a subject in one click, a link to get back to it, and one takeaway, so you actually remember what it taught you. Stop losing what you read, start building on it. Free template in the description so you can start with this exact setup. If you want to organize your own ideas next, not just what you read, check out my Second Brain video right here. What do you research most? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.